Then agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an aana agus tá sé an 6 de bhí fiara, táid chun an scéal na hain a léamh ar leathnach dahad, céad dahad is a cethair, so the birds, na hain. Téann na páistí ar shiúlóid dúilre san airech. Bíonn na hain ag canna go bin. So I'm sure Loirach or Gachlaw, the children go on a nature walk, dúilre nature shiúlóid walk san airech in spring. Bíonn na hain ag canna go bin. The birds are singing sweetly go bin. Bíonn na hain ag déanamh neadacha freisin. The birds are making ag déanamh neadacha nests, neadaháin, one nest, neadacha nests, freisin as well. Fecin na páistí gearcaig sna neadacha. Bíonn na hain ag tuairt bia don na gearcaig. So the children see, what's the word? I can't think of the name. Like, what are they called in like a fledgling or like a little infant bird? Chicks, yeah, like infant birds, fledglings, in the nest. So the children see little birds or fledglings in the nest. The birds, bíonn na hain, the birds are ag tuairt giving bia food don the gearcaig. They are giving food to the fledglings, to the babies. Clushan Samar an Drolín. So Samar hears, Clushan sé, he hears an Drolín, the law an Drolín, the wren. So in Ireland, the Drolín has a tradition on St. Stephen's Day. It's also called Law an Drolín. And it was tradition for children and people to dress up, kind of a bit like in a way hAoine, and go around house to house singing songs, and you'd be given like little sweets or whatever as well. So the Drolín, the wren, the wren. Then Clushan Niamh an Anlóg. Niamh hears the phone log. So on log, because it's a feminine word, so you put in your H, but it's a swallow. You can tell by the tail. Clushan Niamh on log. She hears the swallow. Clushan Oisín an Londov. Oisín hears the blackbird. Dove being black. This is the blackbird. One of the, like, it's part of the crow family. You can tell the difference between the blackbird because it's usually a smaller type of bird and it's got a really orangey yellow beak. Clushan Rory an chuach. Rory hears the cuckoo an chuach. Clushan Roisin an préchán. Roisin hears the crow. Clushan Pole an ishog. So fushog is the thrush. I'm just making sure here. It's the lark, I should say. There you go. And it's on ishog. It's a feminine bird. I know that because the H in there. Clushan Cáit an smólach. Cáit hears the smólach. She hears the thrush. Fushog is the wren and smólach is the thrush. Clushan Liam an spidog. Liam hears the robin. Tatníon ceol na hain go mór leis na páistí. The children enjoy tatníon or like the music of the birds a lot, go mór leis, because tatníon always goes with le. Tatníon whatever, le, lom, leat, le, leis, lehi, lin, live, all of that. So the children like the songs of the bird song. I'm going to go over it one more time because there's a lot of new words with the birds. Téann na páistí ar shiúlóid dúilre san airech, the children go on a nature walk in spring. Bíonn na hain ag canna go bin, the birds are singing sweetly. Bíonn na hain ag déanamh neadacha freisin, the birds are making nests also. Fecin na páistí gearcaig sna neadacha, the children see fledglings or nestlings or little baby birds in the nests. Bíonn na hain ag tuairt bia don na gearcaig, the birds are giving food to the fledglings, péist. ina bhéal ag an spidóg. Cloisian samar an drolín, so samar here's the wren. Cloisian níomh an onlog, níomh here's the swallow. Cloisian oisín an lundov, oisín here's the blackbird. Cloisian ruairi an chuach, ruairi here's the cuckoo. Cloisian roisin an précon, she hears the crow. Cloisian pól an isog, he hears the lark. Cloisian cáit an smólach, she hears the thrush. Cloisian líam an spidóg, the robin. And then tatní an ceol na hain go mór leis na páistí. I would put the words of the birds at the back of the copy in a section. So you've got your wren, swallow, blackbird, cuckoo, crow, lark, thrush and robin. Na ceistena. An gluisean samar an drolín. Cloisian samar an drolín. Yes, he does. Cloisian samar an drolín. Fragger don ceiste hain. Iver do an gluisean níomh an onlog call níomh and seo an éan a cloisian níomh. So it's either cloisian níomh an onlog or ní cloisian níomh. Put a H for the ní. An gluisean oisín an spidóg, seo oisín agus an éan. Is that a spidóg? If it's yes, he hears it, it's cloisian oisín an spidóg. If it's he didn't hear it, it's ní cloisian. N-I fada and then C-H-L-O. An gluisean cáit an drolín, cáil cáit anseo. Is that the drolín? It's either cloisian cáit an drolín or ní chloisian cáit an drolín. Iver cuaig an gluisean pól an isog, seo pól agus an éan, an tain. Agus iver sé an gluisean ruairi an lundov. Here we have ruairi. Is this the lundov? Is this the blackbird? It's cloisian ruairi an lundov or ní cloisian ruairi an lundov. Now I have another picture because I wanted to go in closely to the. How do I swap it around? There we go. I thought it would. Do you know what? It's not doing it any better than just this one here. So you have a crossword, and so what you have to do is write the number 1 in your copy, and then tell me which bird you think is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. There's 2. There's 5. Sorry, this is loading something. There's 5 down, as you can see the arrow, and then there's 1 for 5 across. So they both have to start with the same word, which is one clue, because they're the same starting letter. So that's 5. 6 is going across. 7 then has 2 options as well. It's got Shias for down and Trasna. Okay, so there's actually 9 different bird names over here that we have to fill in. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So number 5 and number 7 have 2 birds to fill in, across and down. So you look at the picture and you see, compared to the picture, like which one they match. I'm going to go through them because for some reason they've decided to add in a bird that isn't mentioned up here, or 2 of them actually. So you got your drolín, which was mentioned, and that's your wren, like the wren boys on a St. Stephen's Day, the drolín. You've got your spidóg, which is your robin. You've got your fánlog, which is your swallow. Your fishóg, which is your lark. Cuach, the cuckoo. Smólach, the thrush. Lundov, the blackbird. And then you have 2 other members of the crow family. So I remember I told you the blackbird is a crow, so is the précon, which is a crow. This fiach dove, again, black is in it. If you look up fiach, it's like a raven. So it's like the black raven. So it's I suppose it's a raven, yeah. Fiach, you can call it just a fiach or fiach dove, and it's a raven. So that's a raven. So just looking at, there might be a couple of blackbirds, just one of them won't fit the word précon or lundov, it'll only fit fiach dove. And then this cog is a jackdaw, which is another type of crow family bird. Cog is jackdaw. So again, for actually 7 down, I'll just tell you, you can see it's hAoine 3. There's 3 spaces there for this type of crow-looking creature, so it has to be the cog. You might look at that and think, oh, it's a crow praecon, but it won't fit, so it's not. It's the cog. So you've wren, robin, spidog, fonlog, your swallow, fushog, your lark, cuach, cuckoo, smulloch, thrush, lundove is your blackbird, fiachdove is your raven, cog is your jackdaw, and you have to fill in the crossuckle. So you will also have your grammar test on the verb today. The verb being get a new page here. The verb being we decided to go for chonic. Okay, the irregular verb of just make my font bigger. So we're doing feck is the verb in its root, and it's to see in Irish. It's an irregular one. So in the inye, so these are all the words like for like inye, or it's technically the aimshachacha. So the past tense, the time spent, aimshachacha. So words that might give you a clue in sentences, that's the aimshachacha. Inye, which means yesterday. Another word that might give you a clue is arare, is last night. Okay. Sorry, that's gone out of focus or out of the thing. Inye is arare is last night. It might say, I think they're all the ones that are in your examples. And in the past tense, feck changes to cuig. So it's going to be cuig may, cuig so may, she, she. They all have that spelling. Shiv. Sorry, I don't know what I did there. Shiv and she. They all spell the same way. Chuig may. For we, it's chumer. Okay, so that's the we, the shin part of the verb. We. Okay, that's the aimshachacha part. So aimsir loirach then is your everyday, the present tense. Okay, so past words that might give you a clue that the aimsir loirach might be inish, which is now. They might say gach law, which means like every day. They might say maybe imliana, which means this year. And nuri means last year. I didn't put that down there, but anyway, this is like this year. Okay, so they're your kind of clue words maybe in the sentence to let you know that you have to use the aimsir loirach. Again, they're the words that might give you a clue, inye and arare, that they want this type of verb, the verb like this. Okay, then this is the way we're going to do it here. I'll do it in green for every day, and the version is feckin. Okay, and like I say, feckin is spelled that way for two, for she, for she, for shiv, which is ye, and for shead. There's only 2 times that it's not spelled that way. For we, which is always the case in verbs, and it's fecamid. So shin, the we part of the verb. And for just the aimsir loirach, for just the past, so I'll put a little asterisk, you'd say feckim, which is like feckin may. They add them together. They kind of make like a little sum out of them. Feckin and may together create this word feckim. Just like this is actually feckin plus shin, and this is feckin or chuig. Sorry, I'm not just saying. It's conic. Sorry, lads. Have I said to focus on? Are we doing cuig? We are doing conic, aren't we? Let me just check the lower. Yeah, it's conic. Sorry. So it should be here, just doing the we part, conic, and then it's going to be conic plus shin. So that's the kind of the past. The words that give you a clue that they want the past version of the verb. Here's chonic, I saw, he saw, she saw, ye saw, they saw, and then we saw, Knickermer. I'm going to double check I've spelled that correct. Then for everyday, here are the words that might give you a clue that they want the everyday I'm sure Loirach. Anish meaning now, Gachlaw everyday, Imlina this year. And this is how you do you see, he sees, she sees, ye see, they see. And then again, we is always different. We see is spelled that way for everyday. And for just the I'm sure Loirach, you say feck im, I see. And then the last one we're doing is the I'm sure Oshnach. I'm really hoping I'm spelling that correctly. The I'm sure Oshnach then, and I'll do a different colour for the I'm sure Oshnach. Let's do blue. You say feck, oh, it doesn't need to be underlined. You say feck, and remember I said that the F here in the middle of it gives you a clue that's the future. So it's going to be feck fi may, she, she, shiv, and shead. And the only other way is feck famid for, which is actually feck fi plus shin. The we part of the verb is different. So I will see, feck fi may, feck fi she, he will see, she will see, ye will see, they will see, and then feck famid, we will see. And when do we you want some clue words, I suppose, for the I'm sure Oshnach, which I haven't done. So clue words for that would be they might be say amora, which means tomorrow. They might say I'm trying to think. Amorach. They might say Shachuin, like I'm Blin Shachuin, the year to come. I think I'm just trying to see. Do they usually say Amorach though, or like? Yeah, that's really all I can give you for now. So that's your I'm sure Kocha version of it, the past version of it. This is the present version of it, and this is the future, the I will version. Chonik me, she, shiv, shiad. I see, I saw, he saw, she saw, ye saw, they saw, and then we saw has a different spelling. For everyday, which is anish, gachla, and melina, it's fekin, tu, she, shiv, and shiad. You know, I see, he sees, she sees, ye see, they see, and then we see is a little bit different for the I'm sure Loirach, and I see. And then for the future, I will see, he will see, she will see, ye will see, they will see. The only one that's different is the we will see part. You're looking at this one here, and I'm going to move it. So you're looking at the sentences there. So on feck to wall scolia. So there's my clue in ye, yesterday. So I'm going to be looking at this column. So it's you want the verb for how do we spell the verb for the past when you're talking about you. So that's that one. Chonik tu. It's a question version, so there's your question version. An vacha tu. Then a morch is a clue there, so then I know it's the future, and it's a morch with shin, which is the we part of it, so I know it's going to be this one. Then you're looking again, and it's may, and it's a nish, it's happening now, so I know it's the middle column, the I'm sure Loirach, and it's may, so it's going to be this one. Okay, and that's how you go. The only times they'll be different from these is if it's a negative or a question, so you have to look at those ones too. I think I've rambled on long enough for this video. Best of luck. If you need any help, you can let me know anyway, and yeah, that's it.